In the realm of spirituality and manifestation, there lies a profound secret. A secret that holds the key to unlocking the infinite powers of the mind. Welcome back, my dear viewers, to our channel, where we explore the depths of ancient wisdom and the mysteries of the universe. Today, we delve into the enigmatic 33rd degree law, the pathway to accessing the mind of God and manifesting our deepest desires. Imagine for a moment a life where you have the ability to shape your reality, where your every thought is transformed into a powerful force of creation. The 33rd degree law teaches us just that, the ability to tap into the consciousness of the divine and align our actions with the grand design of the universe. We all face hardships and challenges, whether it's financial struggles, relationship difficulties, or a general feeling of dissatisfaction. But what if I told you that the power to overcome these obstacles lies within your grasp? The 33rd degree law offers a path of enlightenment, a path that leads us to the very essence of God's mind. Throughout the ages, enlightened individuals have delved deep into the teachings of the 33rd degree law, understanding its secrets and applying them to their lives with astounding results. This sacred knowledge has been passed down through generations, and now it is within your reach. As you embark on this mystical journey, remember to keep an open mind. The 33rd degree law transcends conventional wisdom, taking us beyond the boundaries of what we thought possible. It is through this liberation of the mind that we can truly tap into the divine consciousness and manifest our deepest desires. Before we begin this incredible exploration, I kindly request all of you, dear viewers, to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you join our ever-growing community of spiritual seekers united in our quest for knowledge and enlightenment. Now that we have set the foundation, let us dive deeper into the intricacies of the 33rd degree law. This ancient knowledge guides us on a journey of self-discovery and empowers us to harness the energy of the divine. In Christian tradition, the number 33 holds particular significance, mainly associated with the concept of the 33rd degree law. This symbolic number is believed to represent the highest level of spiritual attainment and divine sacrifice. The 33rd degree law revolves around the life of Jesus Christ, who was believed to have been crucified at the age of 33. This event is considered a pivotal moment in human history, symbolizing the ultimate act of sacrifice, redemption, and spiritual completion. Just as the number 33 represents the peak of Masonic achievement in Freemasonry, it also serves as a spiritual milestone in Christianity. The 33rd degree law underlines the profound wisdom and enlightenment attained by individuals who diligently pursue a deeper understanding of their faith and strive to align their lives with the teachings and example of Jesus Christ. By recognizing the significance of the 33rd degree law, believers are called to embrace spiritual transformation and aspire to reach a heightened state of consciousness, bringing them closer to the divine. This sacred number reminds them of the noble task of living a life of service, love, and selflessness, echoing the sacrificial nature of Jesus' crucifixion. One of the key principles of the 33rd degree law is the understanding that our thoughts have a profound impact on our reality. By shifting our mindset from one of limitation to one of abundance, we can attract positive experiences and manifest our deepest desires. To access the mind of God, we must first believe and affirm that we are divine beings, capable of creating our own destinies. This self-belief acts as a powerful magnet, drawing in the energy needed to manifest our desires. The concept of God is within us suggests that the divine essence resides within each individual. It implies that we have a direct connection to the divine and that to access the mind of God, we must first understand our own thoughts. One of the passages that sheds light on this idea can be found in the Bible, specifically in 1 Corinthians 2:11. It states, "For who among men knows the thoughts of man except his own spirit within him? So too, no one knows the thoughts of God except the Spirit of God." This verse highlights the notion that just as we can only truly know our own thoughts through introspection, we can only comprehend the thoughts of God through a deep understanding of ourselves. Understanding our own thoughts is an essential step in accessing the mind of God. It requires self-reflection, self-awareness, and contemplation of our innermost desires, motives, and beliefs. By delving into our own thoughts and emotions, we gain valuable insights into our own nature, which in turn allows us to better understand the divine essence within us. When we take the time to understand our own thoughts, we become more attuned to the spiritual dimension of our existence. This heightened awareness helps us recognize the presence of God within us, guiding and influencing our thoughts, actions, and decisions. It is through this connection that we can tap into the vast wisdom and knowledge of the divine. Visualization and affirmation are potent tools in this manifestation process. By vividly picturing your desired outcome and affirming it with conviction, you align your thoughts with the divine consciousness, amplifying your manifestation power. Another principle is the emphasis on gratitude. By expressing gratitude for the blessings in our lives, we open up space for more abundance to flow in. Gratitude acts as a pathway to connect with the divine, deepening our bond with the mind of God. Alongside gratitude, the 33rd degree law teaches us the importance of surrender. To access the mind of God, we must release our attachment to specific outcomes and trust in the divine timing of the universe. Surrendering allows us to let go of resistance and flow effortlessly with the cosmic currents. As we embark on this journey of manifesting desires, it is crucial to cultivate a high vibrational state. This can be achieved through various practices such as meditation, energy healing, and connecting with nature. By raising our vibration, we synchronize our frequency with the divine, enabling a seamless manifestation process. Remember, my dear viewers, that the pursuit of the 33rd degree law is not just about personal gain, but also about utilizing our newfound powers to serve others. When we align our desires with the greater good, our manifestations become vehicles of transformation, bringing about positive change in the world. The journey to the mind of God is not without its challenges, but with perseverance and dedication, we can unlock the limitless potential within us. Trust in your abilities, dear viewers, and embrace this divine passage towards a life of abundance and fulfillment. As we come to the end of this enlightening video, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this exploration of the 33rd degree law. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share with us how the teachings of the 33rd degree law have transformed your life and aided you in your manifestation journey. As we part ways for now, may the divine blessings of the universe be with you on your continued path of manifestation and self-discovery. May you unlock the mind of God and create a reality that surpasses your wildest dreams. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting, for the power lies within you.